Naniniwala si Ombudsman Jesus Crispin Remulla na may mas malalim na pakayang paglantad ng 18 dating tauhan umano ni Zaldico. Iimbestigahan na raw ng National Bureau of Investigation ng 18 at ang totoong pagkatao nila. May unang balita si Sandra Aguinaldo.
Matapos siyang idawit ng 18 umunoy dating sundalo sa delivery ng pera mula umano kay dating Congressman Zaldico, tingin ni Ombudsman Jesus Crispin Remulla may mas malalim pang pakay ang kanilang paglantad.
They're trying to create a political tipping point. What more? Alam na natin yun, di ba? They want a branch of the service to rise up in arms. Yun naman yun eh. Local yan. I think we know who's behind it.
Ani Remulla, nag-iimbestiga na ang National Bureau of Investigation o NBI kaugnay sa pagkatao ng mga nagpakilalang dating Marines.
We're validating first the identities. Okay. Siyempre, dapat alam natin kung sino-sino itong mga taong to. Kasi the 18 Marines was supposed to be for parang political effect. But not all of them are Marines or not all of them are in the active service. And many of them were dishonorably discharged. Na marami ron, discharged, and there's many of them even have had murder cases.
Nauna nang sinabi ni Remulla na totoong nakipag-meeting siya sa International Criminal Court investigators sa bahay niya nung Justice Secretary pa siya. Pero giit ni Remulla, walang masama na nakipagpulong siya sa ICC.
We already sent Baligo the word to produce the 18 affidavits. Dapat yan, individual affidavits yan. An affidavit is supposed to be based on personal knowledge.
Nasa Anti-Corruption Workshop and Summit ng Department of Justice si Remulla kung saan hinimok niya ang mga nagsidalo na maging tapat sa tungkulin at labanan ang katiwalian. Ito ang unang balita, Sandra Aguinaldo para sa GMA Integrated News.
Kapuso, huwag magpapahuli sa latest news and updates. Maging una ka sa balita at mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ng GMA Integrated News.